Hello friends, my name is Tofik and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video in Adobe Illustrator, I'm going to talk about some paste options that you may not know. So let's get started. So we all know that how to copy and paste. So we can simply go to edit or Ctrl C, copy and simply paste. So this is pretty much everyone knows how to copy and paste, but there are some more options. Like, what if you want to paste it but exactly at the same position on different page, like this is first page and this is second page. I want to copy this on the second page but exactly at the same position, XY coordinates. So we can go to copy again, copy, and click on the second page or whatever page that you want this to be copied on, and then edit, and instead of paste, select paste in place. So it will copy it exactly at the same position. We can do this like edit, paste in place. On the third page as well, it will be copied on the same position. So this is an option that you can try. Now there is another option that is pretty helpful. What if I want to copy this object or anything that you want on each and every page? So presently I have 8 pages. So what if I want to copy this on each page but in one command or one step? So I can simply copy this, but for now, instead of copying it, I will cut this so that it goes like cut. Now instead of paste in place, we can select this option, paste on all artboards. So in Illustrator, pages are called as artboards. So as you can see, in one click or one step, it has copied all the objects on each page or every page. So we can do this with text as well. If you are doing something and you want your text on all your artboards or pages, then you can simply, I will select any text. So I will change the font first. You can select any font that you want, and I will write down my channel's name. So let's say I want this text on every page in one step. So simply go to edit, cut. I'm cutting it because I don't want it overlapping on the first page if I copy this. So go to, I will zoom it out a little bit, edit, some more, edit, paste on all artboards. So it will paste on all artboards in one step. So this can be used for saving us a lot of time and effort. So these are the some paste options that you may not know. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.